Shares of Johnson & Johnson are up a couple percent this morning, and that's as we have a new vaccine that's available in the United States made by that company. Our Anjalee Khemlani has the details on the approval of this vaccine and what that means for the distribution plan, Anjalee.
That's right, Julie. So we know that on Friday last week, that's when the Vaccine Advisory Committee to the FDA recommended the authorization for emergency use. That went through in a unanimous vote. And then the following day, we saw the FDA authorize the vaccine. Now, another step after that is that the CDC has an advisory panel that recommends approval of the authorization. And then following that, the CDC itself approves it. So we've got all the boxes checked for this vaccine to roll out by J&J's Janssen pharma unit. And then following that, we're going to find out likely today from senior White House officials what the plan to roll out the vaccine is. We know that there are about 4 million doses standing by, and we know that that's a single shot vaccine. So all 4 million are going to be used just once to provide that protection. And then that rollout is going to happen this week, but then after that, there may be a little bit of a gap because that's all that Johnson & Johnson had on stock. So following that, there might be a little bit of a break, and then we'll see more vaccines rolled out. They're planning for 20 million to be available by the end of the month. Now, another thing I also want to just bring up real quick is that while we're focusing on the vaccines, therapeutics have also been an issue. We know that there hasn't been as much news about that, and we did hear today that an NIH-funded study on convalescent plasma, if we recall, that was one of the really hopeful treatments, it has halted because it's proving to be not really beneficial. So that takes one option off the table now. We're still using just some generics and Gilead's drug. So within the treatment space, it's still rolling a little slow. Good thing we have those vaccines coming out. Julie?
Yes, most definitely. That is disappointing news on the convalescent plasma front. Thank you so much, Anjalee. Appreciate it. Our Anjalee Khemlani, who covers all things COVID related.